Kire Lazarov. 10% talent. naporna работа. I 70% voda. Pelistarka. 100% život.
With this defense and this goalkeeper, it's difficult to lose. The key of the match was the defense.
The key of the match, I think, was definitely that we were playing an awesome defense. We held Macedonia under 20 goals the whole time, and Lazarov only scored from penalties or 7 meters. I think that was the most important thing for the victory today, and of course the defense for us or by us was really good.
Another excellent performance for your team against Macedonia. What was decisive today?
For us, it was the defense and our goalkeeper. They were playing very good today because Macedonia, they of course have I think one of the best players in the world in Kire Lazarov, and our goal was of course to try to make or to close the space for him. And because in Macedonia played very good in defense and had very good goalkeeper, so it was a game of the good defenses today, and I think we are the lucky winners today.